So in this video, you'll learn how to transfer files from your USB flash drive to your Samsung Galaxy A56. So the first step when it comes to doing this transfer is to ensure that the flash drive is connected to your phone. Once it's been connected, you then want to go and open the Files app. In the Files app, you want to look for your USB storage device, which is your USB flash drive, and then select it. And then you want to look for the file or folder that you wish to transfer to your phone. So once you've located it, you want to long press to select it, and then you can choose to select multiple files if you want, or just leave it with that singular file. Once you've made your choice, you then want to choose your transfer method. You have the option to move, so it will move it permanently from the flash drive to your phone, or you have the option to make a copy onto your phone. So choose your preferred method, and then once you've done that, you then want to select where you're going to be transferring them to. So a folder or just a general location. And so all you need to do in this menu is to select internal storage. And once you've selected internal storage, choose your destination. If you don't have a destination already created, then you can just tap on this plus icon to create your own new destination. Then select create once you've given it a name. And then tap on that folder. And then select copy here and wait for the transfer to complete itself. Once the transfer is complete, you can tap on Show in Folder, or you can navigate back to the main menu for the Files section, go to Internal Storage, look for your folder, and then select it. Once you've selected, you can see all the files that you've just transferred from your USB flash drive to your phone. And so that's how you can transfer files from your flash drive to your Galaxy A56. If you have any questions or comments about this transfer process, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.